It's all about the hair. Hello everyone, I'm Sarah from Everyday Starlet. Welcome to my channel. I make videos to inspire you to be the star of your own life. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about my favorite hair care products. This was actually requested after I did videos on my clean beauty products, clean makeup, and clean skincare, so I will link those videos to this one. A lot of people asked for my hair care favorites. I've actually, oh man, I really went down the rabbit hole of hair care ingredients at one point, and I was so overwhelmed. And I was really struggling to find hair care products that I really loved. So I want to give you some of my top tips for hair care and hair care products. So first, I'll give you a little breakdown of my hair. I do bleach and tone my hair. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm actually blonde, but my roots don't know it yet. I've been coloring my hair since I was, I want to say 19. I was in cosmetology school. I'm trying to think when I actually just decided to do like a full head bleach and tone. I think I was out of cosmetology school, but I was in my early 20s. And I've been doing some variation of this pretty much ever since then. So it's been a long time. And I'm actually discovering not a lot of hairdressers do this. I guess it's just not popular. A lot of people do like full head highlights. This is literally like bleach and tone and that's it. I actually think my hair gets a lot of nice natural dimension doing it that way. I think some people don't, maybe because they think it looks too flat and they want something more dimensional. I've done it this way through all kinds of trends, the ombre trend and like the thick highlighter trend, and I've kept my hair this way because it just feels the most me. I have had a few variations over the years. I went with kind of like the silver hair trend for a while. I did some like stripy highlights way back in the day when I still worked at a hair salon. I'm a former cosmetologist. I'm still a licensed cosmetologist, but I haven't worked in a salon in many, many years. So I do have a background in hair care. My hair is surprisingly healthy for somebody who basically bleaches and tones their hair and always has. And I've talked to a lot of hairdressers who will do bleach and tones, but most of them don't have clients that have hair this long. This is all my hair. I never used extensions, but this is all me. It's all my natural hair. It's just different color. And I've never used extensions. I don't really have the patience for them. So this is all my hair, and I've had a few instances over the years of my hair kind of breaking off and having some issues. My hair has been shorter and longer. I think the shortest I've ever gone is like shoulder length. I've never had like short hair. I've done like shoulder length and longer. So my hair really shouldn't be as healthy as it actually is. And I would say that actually the number one thing that I have learned about hair and hair care that I want to let you know about is to listen to your hair and not listen to what people tell you you should be using on your hair. Because I've used a lot of products over the years that people have told me I should be using because my hair is bleached, or you know, because I color my hair, or things like that. A lot of times when I've listened to those people give me that advice, which may be very valid advice for some people, that's usually when I have the biggest issues, when I get the most breakage, when I have the most problems. For me personally, like if I use like protein treatments on my hair does not like protein treatments, but all the recommendations are always people that bleach their hair, that do a lot of coloring, processing and stuff, should be using protein treatments. I'm not saying protein treatments are good or bad, but my hair does not like them. And I've come to accept that because over the years I've kept trying them and my hair is always like, stop that. And that's usually when I get breakage. So that's actually my number one tip for you when it comes to picking hair care products and figuring out what products are right for your hair, is listen to your hair. I mean, I know that this is literally like dead skin cells that are growing out of a follicle, but it's going to tell you what it likes and what it doesn't like. And I think sometimes like I've tried to fight it sometimes with trying to like force my hair to like something when my hair is literally like screaming at me like, please stop doing this, I'm just gonna fall out. So that's actually one of my biggest recommendations for people, is to really just listen to your hair and stop listening to people telling you that like you have to use this or you have to use that. At the end of the day, like your hair will tell you what it likes and what it doesn't like. Listen to it. The second big tip that I think is a game changer for me and has literally changed my hair, I fully believe. I'm a big advocate, and I mentioned this in my skincare video, of like beauty from the inside out, like taking care of your body, treating your body well, feeding your body foods that it loves. Like living a healthy lifestyle is gonna make you so much more beautiful overall. It's gonna make your skin better, it's gonna make your hair better. But I will tell you that the biggest game changer for me, I would say with both my hair and my nails, is collagen. I've heard people online that say like, oh, collagen supplements don't work and this and that and whatever. I will link the collagen that I love below in the description box, but like since I started taking collagen, like sometimes I've taken less, sometimes I've taken more. When I take the maximum amount of collagen that you are supposed to take in a day, my hair and my nails, like my nails used to be so brittle. Like even when I was a kid, like I had the weakest, most brittle nails ever. And I will tell you, since using collagen, my nails are so much stronger. Like it's insane. And my hair has gotten so much stronger, thicker, fuller. Like, I cannot tell you the difference in my hair when I take like the maximum amount of collagen. Now, I'm not saying that'll work for everyone. Again, you need to listen to you, and you need to listen to your body, your hair, listen to what's telling you. None of these things are foolproof for everybody. But for me, huge difference, like huge, huge difference. And I hear some people will come online like collagen doesn't mean anything, collagen isn't important, you don't need it. Maybe you do, maybe you don't, I don't know. But I noticed a huge difference when I start taking collagen, and even like the maximum amount of collagen in my hair and my nails. Like, just overwhelming. I would recommend you be very careful about where you get your collagen and the ingredients in your collagen. I mean, you know, there's probably a lot of bad companies out there. I don't take any specific like gummies. I say that, but I do actually make my own like gummy bars with gelatin in them, which has probably helped. But like, I don't take like the gummy vitamins or those like hair, skin, and nail vitamins or anything like that. Like, if I do take vitamin supplements, I don't really take like ones that are like a multi-pack for like hair and nails. Like, I'll take an individual supplement. I'm not going to go into like supplements or anything like that. The collagen, I believe, is the one that I take that I would say really affects like my hair and nails the most. My other supplements, like I take for other reasons. I'm not going to go into that because I feel like supplements are just so personal, and I don't want to recommend anything for anyone that isn't helpful. With collagen, use your discretion, but for me, that has been the biggest game changer. I haven't taken like biotin or any of the other sort of like hair growth things, but I just find I take collagen, and I'm telling you, like, my hair was good before, so it got better after taking the collagen, but it wasn't really bad before that. It just definitely has gotten stronger, and it's so much longer. Like, I never used to be able to get my hair this long. Like, it's literally down past my boob. I never was able to get my hair this long. Like, it would get to like maybe here, and then it would just get to be too much to deal with. Whereas now, like, my hair is so healthy, and it gets super, super long. My hair wasn't bad before taking the collagen, it just got so much better. But my nails, like, my nails used to be horrible, like absolutely horrific. Like, I had like the worst nails ever, and since taking the collagen, they're so much better. So I think it makes a difference, but again, please listen to your body. So as I mentioned in some of my other clean beauty videos, I really went on a quest to really clean up my beauty products. And with hair care, I was having a really hard time, and I found some products that I like. One thing is, as I've mentioned, I've been really trying to go fragrance free, because I find oftentimes, particularly with hair care products, when you get into more like clean beauty or more natural beauty, they put weird fragrances in them, which I don't really know why they do that. I don't know why more products just don't come in like fragrance free options, because I don't really like having a lot of fragrance in my products. I am going to work on a clean beauty fragrances video, but I'm not really a fan of like fragrances in my beauty products. So I did find this brand, Under Luna, after doing a lot of research on different hair care brands, and I love that this is a natural brand, but it comes in fragrance free. You can get them in fragrances. I've never tried the ones with fragrances in them, because I love that this comes fragrance free. I will say this video is not sponsored, so these are just my opinions. When it comes to the Under Luna, this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I love this conditioner. This conditioner, like, my God, is so good. Like, I am obsessed with how soft it makes my hair. It's just so amazing. Now, I like the shampoo. In fact, I really didn't like the shampoo at first. It's grown on me. I don't love it, but I do kind of like the idea of just using them both together. They come in glass containers so that you're not using plastic. They used to come in a slightly bigger container, and they've gone smaller, and I think they have an explanation on their website as to why they did that. I kind of wish they came in bigger containers still. Still have some bigger containers, so I might refill them, but they only come in smaller ones now. You do have to be careful in the bathroom using glass containers, because you don't want them to fall and break and shatter. But, you know, glass containers are better for the environment. They're reusable and things like that. You can recycle them. I like the idea of things that come in glass containers. The shampoo is, you can get it to lather a little. Usually with clean beauty, like shampoos and stuff, lather's not really ideal, because the products in most shampoos that get it to lather are usually like the products you want to avoid. So you can get this to lather a little bit, but you got to use a lot of it in order for that to happen. The shampoo does really kind of dry my hair out quite a bit. I don't love the feeling of it like while I'm using it, but I do feel like it gets my hair clean, and then the conditioner is just so good. This is such a great conditioner. I just love this so much. It makes my hair feel so smooth and silky. You can use it as a leave-in, and I actually used to use this like as like a leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair, but after using this for a little while, I actually noticed that I didn't really even need to use it as a leave-in, because it was making my hair really soft and smooth enough, just like putting it in my hair and then rinsing it out. I just feel like it's healed my hair a lot, and I feel like I don't need to use this as a leave-in conditioner. I only wash my hair, ideally I wash it twice a week because it needs it, because I work out every day. I was doing it once a week, but it really does need it twice a week. As far as styling products go, I don't use a ton of styling products. So as far as styling products go, I actually found this brand called Know Nothing, and it actually is like free of a lot of the toxic chemicals you'd find in mainstream beauty products, and everything is fragrance free, which I love. Because again, for some reason, like natural hair care brands tend to put like really weird fragrances in a lot of their products. I have a few more of their products, but these are actually the only two that I really use consistently. I haven't really tried out some of the others yet, so I can do an update if you want on more of their products. But I use the Know Nothing Very Sensitive and Strong Mousse. I know it's very 80s, but I really love using hair mousse, and it's really hard to find one in a natural brand, just because I feel like it gives my hair a little bit more fullness without making it frizzy. For my hair is naturally pin straight. It has a little bit of like a bend and wave because it's so bleached. In the business, we kind of call it a chemical curl, but naturally my hair is like stick straight, and sometimes I have to smooth it out to keep it from being a little frizzy because it's been so bleached. But I don't like using a lot of like super volumizing products because it does make it more frizzy. With this, I just literally kind of just blow dried my hair. I kind of like smooth it out a little bit just to kind of get rid of the frizzes, and then like for today I just like added a little bit of a curl with my curling iron. But before I blow dried my hair, I used a little bit of this mousse, and then on the very ends of my hair, and just on the very ends because my scalp is relatively oily, so my hair does get kind of like oily in the scalp really easily. So just on the very ends of my hair, just to keep the frizzies at bay, I've been using this sensitive hair oil. You can actually use some of this Under Luna conditioner as like a leave-in product on your hair. I would say if your hair is like really dry, it can actually work. My hair's a little bit too, like my scalp is a little bit too oily, so this ends up being a little bit too heavy for my hair. And again, I just use these products. They don't have heat protection in them. I gotta be honest with you, if heat protection works for you, great. I've never really found that like using heat protection products on my hair makes a huge difference. And I go through phases where sometimes I'll let my hair air dry, sometimes I'll dry my hair with a blow dryer. I do use really quality products. I get like my blow dryers, my curling irons from like professional beauty supply places. I make sure that they are the best quality products. I would recommend the stuff that I use, except that I've had it for so many years. I don't even think they make it anymore. I would make sure you look into products that are ceramic, tourmaline. Those are big things to look out for when you're actually picking out professional products. I'll blow dry it after I wash it, so like maybe twice a week, once or twice a week, depending on my mood. I usually only use the curling iron on it like if I'm filming or something, or for special occasions. So I don't use heat styling on it like a ton. I personally haven't found that heat protectant stuff is really super necessary or makes that much of a difference on my hair. But if you like it, Know Nothing does have heat protecting products if that is something that is a priority for you. I do have a couple of their other products. They have two different forms of dry shampoos, and I really should try those out. I do have a video where I tried out a ton of dry shampoos. It's an older video. It was before I found the Know Nothing brand. So I'm pretty picky about dry shampoos, but generally speaking, I don't like using dry shampoos. I'd rather just wash my hair, even though it's a pain to wash it and then dry it, especially with it being so long. But I just don't tend to reach for dry shampoos. But I really should try out those dry shampoos, and when I do, I'll let you know what I think of them. I also do have their hairspray, which I wish came in a mini. Like I wish their hairsprays came in a mini for travel. But I don't find the mousse leaves my hair like sticky or crunchy like a lot of mousses do. So I really like how this feels on my hair, and I feel like it gives it like a nice volume without adding frizz, and just gives my hair a little bit of extra like product in it for a hold, because my hair does get pretty heavy, and because my scalp is relatively oily, like it's like my hair was way curlier when I started filming, and like it's kind of, so if I was really ambitious, I probably would have sprayed my hair with hairspray to get it to hold, but I don't tend to go for hairspray, but I do have a hairspray. So if I do try the dry shampoo and the hairspray, I'll let you know, but that's just not, it's not something I use on a regular basis. Again, I have really been loving using like fragrance-free hair products, because I do find, like I remember there was one product, I don't remember what the name of it was, but there was one product that was supposed to be like a clean beauty leave-in conditioner. Like everyone was raving about at one point. I wish I could remember the name. It was something at Sephora, and everybody was talking about how great it was, and I used it as a leave-in conditioner, and the fragrance on it, it wasn't bad necessarily. It just wasn't really my taste and fragrance, and it was so strong, like I had to just go and wash my hair because I just could not handle having the fragrance like that close to my nose. Like it was too much. So I really like using the fragrance-free products. I'll have everything listed below if you want to check it out in the description box. But yeah, I don't do a lot of fancy stuff to my hair. And I mean, I do bleach it. So I realize like I'm preaching clean beauty, but I do bleach my hair. I just feel more myself as a blonde is what it is. I mean, I'm really of the belief that you can't live your life completely toxic free. It's just not possible. But I like to try to make non-toxic choices where I can. You know, I just think it's all about finding the balance that's right for you. And, you know, finding the products and the style and everything that really feels authentically you. And I know a lot of my videos talk about like feminine energy, and I don't believe that like long hair is necessarily more feminine than short hair. I think really feminine energy is about embodying an energy, but I do think having healthy hair the best you can and just, you know, leading a healthy lifestyle is really the most beautiful thing you can do for your feminine energy, because it's just sort of honoring yourself and honoring your body. So yeah, these are my favorite hair care products. I will have videos for my clean makeup favorites and clean skincare favorites linked to this video. I'm also going to do a video a little bit about hair removal because I had some requests for that. If you have any other video requests, let me know. I'm probably not going to be doing like regular beauty updates constantly. I do have a few other beauty video requests, but I'm not going to go back to beauty blogging. If you have been following me since then, I don't try new products often enough to really justify going back to beauty blogging and stuff like that. I just want to give you guys kind of an update on the products that I've found that I've been loving. So yeah, any other requests, let me know. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment below. Any engagement on my content really does help boost it in the algorithm, and it's very much appreciated. Products are listed in the description box below, along with links to my guided journals, courses, master classes, and all my social media links. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time.